Hi guys, so I'm gonna do the Spellbinders unboxing for the what did I get this month? I got the Works Club kit. So it's the small die, the large die, the APG, and the card kit is what I got this month. But so any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. Oh, my little doll's gonna fall. Look at her, she's just hanging on there. Ooh, I hope, there we go. Okay, but I have been getting questions about this and I think I should do it because a quick follow-up on the 2-tier origami cart, because people, I guess free shipping, people are curious, and I've had a couple questions the last couple days and I'm sorry I didn't get to it, but it's a little bit of a mess here because I'm still in a flux. But I do want to show you, I do have like my little gorgeous girls there. I have some Jane Davenport binders here, and like these things need to go into the binder and I just was lazy, I shoved them in there. All kinds of markers and things, and then I just have baskets and baskets of diamond press, and people always ask me, how do you store those? Like that. Normally I just put them in drawers, but I do need to go through them. I put them there for now just so I can get things where I need them to be, but I will fix them up better. I have tons of paper at the very bottom tray, and it's just fine. You know, it's perfectly fine. I didn't tuck it in from the last time I pulled things out of it, but it is a bit of a mess, and people did ask me to follow up, so there it is, just so you have that information. I have my little embroidery machine right here, so yeah, things are good. It's working great. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so this is the kit. It comes in this cute box, and I'm just going to cover that because it has my address there, and it has it on the front too, so I can't really show it to you well. But really adorable. So with Spellbinders, what happens is they'll open up their club on the 1st of the month, and the whole month, if you sign up, you're going to get that kit, what they're showing you. And then the next month, you know, they give you a preview like a couple days before the end of the month. And then you're able to see if that's something you're interested in, if you want to get it or skip it or, you know, cancel your subscription altogether. I've shown you guys lots of videos on how to do that. Just go into your portal and all that good stuff. I'm trying to see what my camera is doing. And so yeah, so what you see is what you get basically as you're ordering. And then the next month they will bill you on that same day as opposed to being billed again on the 1st, like when the next month begins. So if you order on the 10th, the next month they're going to bill you on the 10th, and that's how it goes. Just trying to see what this camera's doing. I was telling my husband about how it likes to autofocus on its own and it does it wrong sometimes. Like right now, I don't know why it's flipping out, but it's doing that right this moment. We're in a weird spot in my YouTube journey here, guys, because we're doing more lives, and now my husband wants to hook up all kinds of stuff we talked about the other day on one of my lives. And I'm like, I don't need all of that. But let me make sure. And sometimes when I open this as a receipt, right now there isn't a receipt, but of course other times there are, or there is. So here we go. I'm gonna close up a little bit. So this is just an unboxing. I'm gonna talk about these and then we'll go through them as the month goes on. But this is the small die of the munch. It's the munch of the month. It's super cute. It says Frankie goes to the North Pole. It has 20 cutting dies, and hopefully you can tell it makes a little snowman, and he is adorable. And look at the little North Pole sign. Oh, that's really cute. I think, what do I remember saying about this one? Yeah, you just have your little post to put your little sign on, and a bunch of extra pieces to make yourself a cute little card. Super cute. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. So this, if you cut out a few of them, you stack them together and you use the extra bits, you make like a little, a tree. That's really cute because you can do that separately. You don't have to, you know, use it just on this, or, you know, obviously all these things you can use separately. This one is going to be really fun. This is the Mary Stitching large die of the month, and I know you look at it and you're like, okay, you can use just the way it is. It looks kind of lacy, but the point of it is to stitch into it, you guys. And I saw samples where they were just on their own, like a little ornament, or you put them on your card, obviously. Cut it into your card. You don't have to cut it out. And then you have like this border you can do, or you can cut the whole thing out. And hopefully you can kind of see back here, it's telling you about how to do that. And I will definitely have, look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited about this because it's fun. It's, you know, a little mixed media, a little multimedia, a little something different. I just think it's so pretty. And again, you don't have to actually stitch it out, but I mean, the option's there, right? So that's what it's for. Really cute. Oh my gosh, here's the sleigh. I didn't realize it's so cute because in the pictures, you know, it's hard to tell how big something is. This is the APG, the Amazing Paper Grace kit for this month. Let me measure this. Oh, the other thing about the Spellbinders kit club is that once you sign up, you get 10% off their site. So even if you were to go in on like the smaller kit, there's I think $15 a month. I believe it includes shipping. you get 10 bucks off the site. So like, you know, I order once, 2, 3 times a month on their site. So it's worth it to me to even just have that small one and get your 10% off. So this guy, he's about 4.5 inches, you know, depending on where you're measuring from. So cute. So this would be cute. Obviously, you're going to make it into what they want, a little 3D sleigh here. Or just use the one front of it, you know, put it on a scrapbook page or on a card. Oh my gosh, how adorable. And these are all very similar, the way they do the bracketing system to make it work out for your little pop-up 3D vignette poinsettia sleigh. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then we have our card kit. Just want to see something. Yeah, they didn't put an invoice in this one. That's weird. A lot of times it has an invoice and then I end up showing it to you guys. And I'm always like, oh no. Maybe it's if you add extras, huh? Because you can add an extra paper pack or things like that. And I have other videos on how to customize or how to add things to your kit or to your order. I'm sorry, I have a cough drop in my mouth, so. This is the card kit of the month for November 2020, of course. It's called Merry Wishes. And what I love about this one is this little lamp post. I mean, the whole thing is cute, but look at this. Oh my gosh, can you imagine having the lamp post plus the door from last month? Cute. Right next to it. So, again, it has like these little cards that you can, you know, put on your card base. You can use as a topper. You can use them in different ways. Cut it up. Right here, they just built the other part of their card on top of that. You can see that. You have your die cut shapes. You have your stamps that are really, really lovely. You have the chipboard pieces. There's chipboard stickers. So cute. Oh, these are really pretty. I didn't notice those in the kit like preview. So they're like foam or, you know, the plastic like jet puffed kind of stickers with their gold and black. Really cute colorway. I like that. And then they always come with your tape, your liner tapes and your dimensional tapes or adhesive. Really cute gold sequins, great for adding, you know, little dots here and there, or for, you know, a shaker card type thing. Card bases, card toppers, our paper pack. I will go through this in the video whenever I actually make the tutorial for it, but really, really cute stuff here. And then it always comes with all of your coordinating papers, and including that double-sided gold or silver paper usually, and this time it's gold and it's gorgeous. And all the papers that kind of coordinate back with the kit. And then we have our little dies, again, to make your little lamp post and some, you know, extras. Oh, it has a couple different lamp posts is what it looks like. One's taller and one's shorter. That's really cute. Little wreath. Lots of other little word Noel, it looks like, maybe. Cute. Alright, so I will look forward to working with these, you guys. This morning, this day, this week has gone away from me. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And, you know, we're going to have a female vice president. And what's funny about that is, like, it didn't even occur to me till actually this happened, well, obviously, when they called it. I don't think a lot of people made a big deal about that, right? Which is a good thing. I think that's a good thing. I think we've come so far that it's just like, okay, yeah, there's a female and she can do the job, and, you know, like anybody else, and here we are, you know. I just, that's amazing. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I just, you know, I'm always about women, female empowerment, of course, as we should be. Yeah, I just think that's extraordinary. It just occurred to me, I'm like, no, nobody really made a big deal of it, which I think, well, I'm sure some people are hung up on something like that, but I think it's a great thing. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. It's raining cats and dogs out here. Hopefully it clears up because, oh, water came in my window again. Oh my gosh, a different window and a little tiny amount. So hopefully they'll be able to pop somebody out here to fix that. But it's like, why? Oh, the rain does not, this house doesn't like the rain. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.